Hey, what's up guys? If you ever use a Samsung phones, you may be familiar with this Samsung iconic ringtone. So this is the Samsung iconic ringtone over the horizon, and every few years Samsung updated this ringtone and make it newest, fresh for newer audience, right? So there are a lot of version of this ringtone over the horizon. So recently Samsung has released the 2025 version of this ringtone, and it's quite unique and very classical. I think a lot of people will like it. I will show you that ringtone and give you that ringtone as well. Okay, first let me go to settings and show you the current over the horizon ringtone version. Let me go to sounds and vibration and go to ringtones, and this is the current one. This is the BTS version. Alright guys, there are a lot of over the horizon ringtone. Okay, now let me show you the 2025 version. So this is the 2025 version. Okay, let me play few seconds for you guys, then I will tell you like from where you can get this. Okay, let me play this. I will just play for a few seconds because of that copyright issue. Alright guys, this is the 2025 edition of Samsung over the horizon Samsung iconic ringtone. Tarun Ware shared this on Twitter, so thank you Tarun brother, and you can find this on YouTube also. So if you want this full ringtone, I will give you the link in the description. Tell me guys, did you like this ringtone or not? Okay, alright guys, thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video, and if you have a Samsung phone, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading a lot of videos of Samsung phones. Bye.